Good day, everyone. Welcome to Sniper Vest Trading Strategy. I'm your host, Joseph. If you have been following me for some time now, I once did a video on horizondex when we were still carrying out the linear voltage task, the 9-week linear voltage task, and currently Linea is on mainnet now, and a lot of projects are also migrating to the mainnet, and we will see in the next coming weeks there will be a lot of projects building on the Linea blockchain, and there will be a lot of community giveaways and airdrop as well. It is very important that we watch closely and also take advantage of these opportunities to jump into, interact, and also perform some taxes on this major project building on the Linea blockchain. So this is a video tutorial on the current campaign currently going on with horizondex, and this campaign, there will be a reward for early pioneers or adapters of this blockchain. We are going to do some transaction, carry out some major transaction on the horizondex mainnet, of which I'll give us I'll practically do the step-by-step guide in this video. Okay, now if you have not interacted with the horizondex on the testnet, I will urge you to watch my video. I've done a video on this before. I'll urge you to watch my video on YouTube. Just search for the video on my channel where I did a video, practical video, guiding us on how to go about the mainnet campaign or taxes when I think a few weeks back when they were still on their testnet. So now they are on mainnet, and we are giving some taxes to do on the mainnet to be eligible to receive the badge, the early pioneers badge. Okay, before we get to the tax proper, I just want to maybe give us a little detail on the campaign. So the campaign will be live from July 18, which was yesterday, to August 1st. And during this time of the campaign, performing this task, you can unlock the badge. The badge is on Galxe. So once you execute all the taxes, the option will be open. But if it is not open immediately for you to claim, you just check back. If you have performed the task we will do in this video, you just keep checking back and make sure you claim before August 1st, because we still have a lot of time, and this is July, and we still have a long road to go before August 1st. So during this time, you can unlock the badge by exploring the Linea Mainnet with horizondex.io, and possibly we all know how rewarding if you are an early pioneer in a particular project. We all know how rewarding it would turn out to be. We have seen that in previous projects whereby we are early adopters and or pioneers, and we are given of some reward at the end of some of the tasks we did. So first and foremost, we require some fund. which I'll be showing us how you can bridge some of these funds to your Linea Mainnet chain network now. Since Linea is on mainnet now, so every interaction to get ourselves positioned for any airdrop on the various projects that we'll be building on Linea, every interaction will involve us paying gas fee with Linea Ether. I'm going to show us how to get the how to bridge now, because Linea is a layer 2 solution and built under the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is the layer 1 while Linea is the layer 2, and Linea still use Ether as gas fee on their blockchain because they are built on the Ethereum blockchain. So to get your Ether, you need to get your Ether to the Linea Mainnet, you need to bridge your Ether on the Ethereum mainnet or any other chain. Because for Orbiter.finance, let me show you something. They are now open for bridging. You can bridge your Ether from any, I think some listed, not all the chains now. If maybe they have a kind of added some, I don't know, but you can now bridge your Ether from, let's say, from almost all the major chain to the Linea Mainnet. Okay, I think they have added a lot of chains now. When they open it in the first 24 hours, they made bridging of this your ETH now to Linea for free, that no gas fee, but it has passed anyway. Linea did it and Rhino did it as well. So you'll be able to bridge from Orbiter.finance your ETH, your Ethereum to Linea Mainnet, and also not only will you be able to do that on Linea Mainnet on Orbiter.finance, you can also do that on Rhino.fi. So this is the bridging option here. I've already bridged my you first of all on this Rhino.fi now. What you will do, you first of all deposit your token, that is your Ethereum token. You first of all do a deposit of your Ethereum token. Then after doing the deposit now, then you will do the deposit on the Ethereum mainnet. Then after doing the deposit now, you withdraw it to the Linea Mainnet. I've gotten some token here already, so I won't be doing that, but it's it's self-explanatory, and you can do it without just as I've said it. It's simple to do, and once you do that, your token will be in your Linea blockchain or network. Okay, now this is what I urge us to do first. Since Linea is on the mainnet now, interacting on the major Linea bridge or ecosystem will also increase your chances of getting their airdrop if there will be a token. But for those that did that perform the test, that carry out the week 9 campaign, they have already airdropped some NFT to them based on their tiers, and I've done a video on that, on how you can import those NFTs to your MetaMask now. Okay, once you are on the Linea.build, you can get to the main Linea bridge via this link. There's a link here. Linea Mainnet Alpha is here. Visit this link now to onboard to Linea Mainnet. So I'm just going to click on the link here. There's a link here. Once the link is open, the bridge interface will display for us. I'll just click on the I agree. Once the bridge interface is displayed, you connect your wallet, either connect your MetaMask. Let me connect my MetaMask. So the bridging is what I'm trying to kind of explain to us on how to do the bridging. So there are various interface on the bridging. There are various projects now that you can bridge your let's say your it now to the Linea Mainnet. But if as much maybe due to your frequency of using the blockchain and also using bridging, you may maybe want to use other bridge aside the linear main bridge, but do not exclude the linear main bridge. If to position yourself very well for any linear airdrop in the nearest future, you must use the bridge. I urge you to use the bridge, the linear bridge. Once you are here now, let me it's telling me wrong network. Okay, let me just change the network. I'm supposed to be on the Ethereum network to carry out this bridge. Okay, now this is the Ethereum bridge now, the linear bridge. Your token is on the Ethereum mainnet. So for the linear bridge now, you can only bridge from Ethereum mainnet to the linear mainnet. So for those of us who don't have much, there will be a need to use other bridge or other projects, other bridge available on other projects, because of the only option available on the linear bridge now is just Ethereum blockchain, the Ethereum network. So you don't have the liberty of bridging from different other chain to the linear network, which you have cheap, let's say, transaction fee. Because other chains now, if you are bridging from other chains to the linear blockchain, the transaction fee is far more cheaper than when you are bridging from the Ethereum to the linear mainnet. So you may want to bridge, maybe if the frequency of your bridging tokens from maybe from any of the chain to the linear blockchain, if you are doing it frequently, it is wise to use other project bridge option as well. Either you use the Rhino.fi or the Orbiter.finance. But as much as you use those other project bridge, don't forget to also use linear bridge once in a while. So the reason why you use other bridges is because of the cost price. Since linear do not have other option to bridge from to the linear mainnet, you can decide to use other bridge option as well. Once you have your token on your Ethereum mainnet, which is the ETH, now you enter the amount. Once you enter the amount, then you click on you tap the option automatic claiming. Then once you tap, okay, let me just enter an amount here. Once you tap automatic claiming, then you tap on the start bridging. Once you do that, I'm not doing that because I've already bridged, and just as you can see on my wallet here, I already have some linear token. I have about $80 worth of linear ETH on my linear mainnet wallet now. So once you do that, once you enter the amount, then you click on the automatic. If you want to use manual, there is automatic and there's manual, depending, but the manual take much more time than the automatic. So for the manual now, you have before your token arrive, this can take up to 8 and 32 hours, which is very, very, very hilarious. I don't if you just want to do, I believe the manual, maybe because of the fees may be cheap, that is why it take longer time. But the automatic, if you don't have the time, just go for the automatic. Right now, let's go to the main focus of this tutorial, having bridged your token and your Ethereum to your linear blockchain or mainnet. Now you have to do perform some certain transaction